So now let's go back to our campaign view and we'll take a look at demographics. And so this shows us the age and gender of everyone who is interacting with our ad. And so there are a couple of things that you want to pay attention to here. One is the actual age ranges that are clicking on your ad. You want to make sure that they're within your persona. If you have age ranges outside of your persona, then there may be a problem with your targeting, and so this is a good opportunity to catch that now and fix that before your campaign ends. If you're having any trouble with your cost per click, then this is actually going to tell you how much each of your audiences so far is costing you. So if your cost per click is really high for your campaign and you don't feel like a certain audience is really worth what you're paying for it, then you can look and see how much that audience is costing you and cut them out of your targeting to get a lower cost per click through the rest of your campaign. So next we'll take a look at the Placements tab. And here we can see where all of our clicks, and we can change this to impressions, where all of our impressions are coming from. And so as I predicted earlier, all of our interactions and impressions virtually came from the mobile newsfeed. And so this is a great opportunity to double check any assumptions that you had about your audience and what devices you're going to reach them on. I think for most people it's going to be the same case here where it's going to be heavy mobile newsfeed use, and the key takeaway here is that you want to make sure that your imagery, your text, and how you structure your ads is all optimized for mobile. And we can also take a look at a mobile breakdown here, and it'll actually show us what types of devices our ads are appearing on most. And you can target by device types too if you feel like maybe one of these audiences is really expensive and it's not worth reaching. And again, this is a great opportunity to look at how you can optimize and experiment with future campaigns. Like you can see here that we're paying a lot more to reach Android phones than we are on the iPhone. And so maybe for a follow-up campaign, I would target only the iPhone and see, do I get better results for less money? And of course, you could dig much deeper into this data, but those are going to be the main things that you're going to want to look at this stage when you're still trying to see how your campaign is doing so far and what you can optimize before your campaign ends. And we will dig much deeper into all of the data once we do our campaign post-mortem to see how our campaign did, what our lessons and takeaways are, and how we can improve for our next campaign and what different experiments and optimizations that we can do for future campaigns.